Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at Xiaomi's HyperOS 3.0, the latest update that brings both functional improvements and aesthetic refinements.
It's not a massive overhaul, but there are some exciting features you'll want to know about. Let's break down the top 5 features.
The Virax TV.
First up, we have dynamic lock screen options. Xiaomi has added more ways to customize your lock screen, giving you interactive elements and a fresh, modern look. It's great for personalization, though if you go heavy on animations, you might see a slight impact on battery life. Next is Super Island. Think of it as a multitasking hub. It lets you access live activities and notifications in a compact floating view. It's definitely useful for quick interactions, but right now its value depends on how many apps actually support it.
Now this one feels futuristic. AI assists with circle to search. You can literally circle anything on your screen and get instant results. It's fast and convenient, especially for shopping or quick lookups. The only caveat? It requires internet, and some users may be cautious about privacy. Xiaomi also refreshed the face unlock animation and the charging animation. These don't change functionality, but they definitely add polish and make daily interactions feel smoother and more premium.
Lastly, the Dialer app got a redesign. It's cleaner, more intuitive, and feels more aligned with modern UI standards. If you're coming from the older version, it might take some adjustment, but overall, it's a welcome change. Bonus round, camera feature improvements that photographers will really appreciate. HyperOS 3.0 now lets you create and save your settings as parameter presets depending on the type of photography you're doing, like street, portrait, or night shots. The best part? You can download and share presets with other users, which opens up tons of creative possibilities. So what's the verdict? HyperOS 3.0 is more of a refinement than a revolution. Features like Super Island and AI Assist add real utility, while the updated animations and UI tweaks give the system a more polished feel.
Not every feature is groundbreaking, and some are purely cosmetic. But overall, this update strikes a nice balance between fresh visuals and practical improvements.
That wraps up our look at HyperOS 3.0. What do you think? Are these updates enough to get you excited, or do you feel Xiaomi is playing it safe? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech updates, and I'll see you in the next one.